Callister from Hull, and we've got Brighton, Stockton-on-Tees and Ealing around the table. The strengths we've got to be able to deliver, just one, which is a good one. Individual one-to-one support at the start of the course and to deliver on IAG.
Okay, yeah, fine. So that's one of your strengths.
That's in the strengths, yeah.
Lovely, okay. Perhaps we move it along to a table if you want to choose perhaps a different box, if you've got something.
From West Sussex County Council, well, Aspire Sussex, but same thing. And we've got Sheffield and Richmond and Redbridge and Luton on our table.
Right, okay.
One of the threats that we identified was lack of sufficient specialised IAG staff with the right sort of skills to deliver IAG.
Right, okay, thank you. We move on to another table then.
Brown, and I'm from Skills and Learning, and we're in Dorset. Also on my table we've got Peterborough, Bracknell and Wokingham, Harrow and Middlesbrough. We only got as far as the first two boxes, but one of the strengths that we have identified is that it gives us the opportunity to work with a range of partners and giving learners lots of different opportunities and lots of different routes to go down.
Okay, thank you.
I grew up from Telford and Wrekin Council, sat here with Somerset Skills and Learning and Knowsley Face and Southend. Okay. One of the weaknesses we found was that all of us agreed about the progression and tracking. Sometimes the A&G takes place, but it's being able then to be meaningful about that tracking and progression in the service we offer. So yeah, that's one of ours.
Okay, thank you. Next table then, maybe.
Reid from WEA Nottingham, and I've also got Hillingdon, Kirklees, Sunderland and Wolverhampton on our table. One of the opportunities we identified was for progression and support of students.
Okay, thank you.
It's from Hertfordshire with Holton, Oxford, Kingston, Plymouth, Manchester. I think that's it, isn't it? One of the weaknesses we said was a possible over-reliance on partners to deliver the IAG element, so needing to make sure that you are overseeing that correctly if you're not doing it yourself.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay. Any tables not been yet? That table, thank you.
We've got St Helens, Medway, Sussex Downs and Kent, and Wirral as well. And one of our strengths was also a weakness that the St Helens strength was good local knowledge of the partners, but the weakness was that they're struggling with partner engagement. It's not always consistent.
Right, okay, thank you.
And I'm from Redcar. We also have Barnsley here and Learning Centre Wiltshire, Little Curve Wiltshire and Navigate Portsmouth. One of the, Learn Devon, I do apologise. One of the strengths, and I'm not sure if you attended the webinar, but one of the strong strengths that we have on this table from Barnsley is the marketing, and I thought that was worth bringing it up because there is a webinar on that.
Excellent, okay, thank you. This table and this table are the last two. So
I'm from Bristol. We've also got Derby and Morley College. It's hard to pick one, to be honest. We've got some strengths around good relationships with IAPs and also some weaknesses around good relationships with IAPs. But also one of the weaknesses is around potential referrals from people who are perhaps beyond the mild to moderate end of mental health issues and what we do there and how we respond to that, really.
Okay, all right then.
I'm from Central Bedfordshire and I'm working with Sutton College here on this table. One of the strengths we picked up was that delivery staff enjoy facilitating the IAG element with individuals. It gives them a good opportunity to gather individual information from the learners, carry out the assessments and to talk about progression.
Okay, right, thank you. So look, one sensing for that is quite a kind of patchy picture, some strengths here around IAG, opportunities, but other people saying not so much. Some people saying that actually it's a real opportunity to find out what people want to do and to grow services, and a bit of a patchy picture around partnerships and how you engage with that. So I think that's worth kind of bearing in mind when we talk about the model that we're going to go forward with. But please do add to these at any time during the day if you think there's things that you want to add or note. Okay.